starting off with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And our first order is going to be a McDonald's. This one is going just under 5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Order for Mason?
Yes.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $7 and change. And we got the next one right away. This one's a Starbucks going just about 4 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Total for that order ended up being $7 and change. Pretty much the same as the last one, to be honest. Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box going 5 miles. I don't know if this lobby's open. Thank you. I've never seen that before. A cat just having its own little heating lamp, I suppose. I'm assuming that's what that was. But that little guy was straight up just chilling. But anyways, total for that order was $10. Okay. Really good order, actually. Finally got the next order. This is a stack, 2 different stores, 2 different people. We've got Voodoo Donut and I believe 7-Eleven. This is $14 going about 8 miles. Thank you. One down, one to go. Thank you. I just had to pick up for Rick. Oh. Thank you. It says no doorbell, baby sleeping. One down, one to go.
Thank you.
Yep, there you are.
Thank you.
I can already tell there's not going to be a tip on this one, but next order up, we've got a Starbucks going about a mile. Thank you. Top floor, of course. Because why would it not be on the top floor? Oh, so they did tip actually. 50 cents. Okay, okay. Total for that one ended up being $7. And just like that, we are not doing Earn by Time anymore today. At least not for a while. Because they just offered me back-to-back Chick-fil-A's going across the river. Both of them were 13 miles plus. Like, what? How is that even acceptable? Anyways, we got this next order. This is a kitchen table cafe, $6 going half a mile. I don't think this one's gonna be ready because when I got this, I was like 1 street away from the restaurant, so wish me luck. Thank you. You know, I could have got this order maybe 15 minutes ago when I was closer to the store, but whatever. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going 8 miles, 2 items.
Let's see what we got. We might not have any at the moment. Yeah, it looks like they're out. They would be right here.
Okay.
Sorry.
Gotcha, thank you. Do you have a substitute?
If you have.
So they didn't have the muffins they originally wanted, but luckily, customer approved substitution. Honestly, shout out to customers that have those ready because it makes both of our lives 100 times easier. Finally got an order. This is a Starbucks, $8 going just under 5 miles.
Cold brew.
Thank you. Okay, we're back at it again with the Earn by Time. This is a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles.
All right, that one for you.
Thank you.
Got it?
Yep.
Perfect.
Man, it is pouring, and this is that cold rain too. I just keep getting chills. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6 and change. This next order should be a lot better than the last one. This is a McDonald's, $8 going 2.5 miles. Got this next order right away. We are heading across the river for this one. This is Joe Brown's Cafe going 4.5 miles.
Okay, all right. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah.
Total for that order ended up being $13 and change. Okay, took the chance on it and it actually paid out for once. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $7 and change going 4 miles. Got this next order pretty much right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3 miles, 7 items. You might say, that's a lot of items for that pay. Yes and no, because 6 of those are loaves of bread. I wonder what they're gonna do with all this bread. And on that note, I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 10:44. Current total, we are at like 110, and we are waiting on 2 Uber tips, so that should bring it up to at least 120. I am so tired of getting rained on today, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.